Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. Look what I've got. I got the bargain bead box for June today in my mailbox. I was so excited. I'm sure you're familiar, but in case you're not, Bargain Bead Box is a monthly subscription of beads and findings. It's $19.49 a month, and that includes shipping in the United States. They have beautiful beads and findings, and it's always curated around a different theme each month. And if you're a subscriber to the Bargain Bead Box, you get a 30% off coupon to use in their sister store, Bead Box Bargains. And you can use it as many times as you want to during the month, and they already have great prices. I have a coupon code. It's Teresa2, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon code will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. So I'm going to open this up and try to get everything organized, and I'll be back. Okay, it looks like the theme this time is Summer Sunrise, and it came in this really pretty yellow baggie, organza baggie. And I got to thinking, I don't know if I have ever read the little description up here at the top when I've opened the Bargain Bead Box. I think I'm always so excited to get into it that I just skip over this and don't even read it. But I'm going to read it this time, and I'm sorry if you don't want to hear me read it, but I like to read these little things, so I'm going to read it. It says, bright skies lie ahead with these warm summery colors. A sparkling cubic zirconia sun pendant brings the heat, matched with agate and Malaysia jade quartz accents. And they've got jade in quotes because I think it's really just dyed quartz is what it is that makes it look like jade. Plenty of sparkling crystals and high-quality gold findings. These fabulous factory closeouts came to us already individually labeled. You will notice one pack, the 5.5 millimeter crystal rounds, marked with 2 asterisks on your list, came mislabeled as a pendant. They matched our theme so perfectly that we included them for you anyway. The actual info for this item is 5.5 millimeter crystal English cut faceted round beads, goldenrod AB, 10 inches. And I love English cut beads. And then on this side is our little description of everything in the box, and it says that the approximate total retail value is $80. So it looks like the first several items are mostly their findings and pendants, and then the rest of it is beads. So I'm going to just do it in little sections here. This first piece is a 33 by 32 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass and cubic zirconia sun pendant. Let's see here. That's just really, really pretty. It's got a little jump ring already there at the top of it. It's not double-sided. That's what it looks like on the back. But it's really, really pretty. And I like that color gold. Like I said before, I don't really like the yellow gold. I like this kind of gold better. And then next, to go along perfectly with that, are 2 pieces of 17.5 by 15.5 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass sun charms. I mean, look at that. What are you going to do? I mean, you're going to have to make a pendant and a pair of earrings with that. It would almost be a crime not to. Well, I mean, I don't guess you have to, but that's probably what I'll do because they just match so perfectly. Those are just really, really pretty. Okay, let's see what's next here. I forgot, I was going to show you, they were talking about the things came individually labeled. That's the way all these little baggies are this time. They're not labeled with numbers. They're labeled with the description of what's in the little baggie, which is pretty cool. That way you don't have to go back and match your numbers to your, to see exactly what it is in each little baggie. They're all like that. They're labeled with what's in the little baggie. This is a 35 by 16 millimeter Malaysia jade, parentheses, dyed quartz, oval pendant in magenta. And that's really pretty. Really pretty magenta color. And then next is a 2-piece 18 millimeter pink crackle agate teardrops with gold plated wire wrapping. Oops. These are 2 little pretty little quartz teardrops, and I don't know, they match that pretty well, I think. Maybe not exactly, but maybe close enough. I don't know. And they're already wire wrapped. This one is, wire wrapping on this one's kind of wonky, though. I don't know. I might can straighten it up. Might have to take that apart and rewire wrap it. This one's fine. But that one needs a little straightening up. It needs a little love and care. Okay, let me see what's next here. Okay, next is a 24 by 18 millimeter carved crackle agate oval bead, dyed and heated. And the hole is up through here like this. It's the same on both sides. So that would be a very cool focal for either a necklace or a bracelet. It's really pretty. And then next are 30 pieces, 7 millimeter swirl bead caps, lead-free, nickel-free, or no, lead-free, cadmium-free. And I know this is not a bead, but let me put this on top of this and you can see what it looks like. Maybe I don't have any beads out yet. That's what that looks like. Pretty little bead caps. And then next are 10 grams of 5.5 by 2 millimeter corrugated rondelle spacer beads, lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free. And I think these are just exactly like some we got in the last, I don't know if it was the last one, last bargain bead box or the one before, but they're really pretty little spacer beads. There, a couple of them on here so you can see them. I'm not sure. I think I have a lot of mine left out of that box that we got a month or two ago. I'm not sure. I just didn't, I mean, I really like them. They're just, I did, for some reason, didn't use very many of them. So, let's see. And then next is 15.5 by 10 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass magnetic clasp. And that's cool. I don't know that, I guess we've got magnetic clasp in the bargain bead box before, but it's not. We usually get toggle clasp. It's got a little jump ring on it, on both sides of it already. And it's a good, strong clasp. I had a little hard time getting it apart there. It's a good, got a lot of strength to it there. And then 18 inches of 3.5 by 2.5 millimeter golden stainless steel textured oval jewelry chain. This is really pretty. I like the size of these links. They're not so tiny that my thick jump rings won't go through them, but they're not real big either. And I don't know if you can see the texture on there. That's the corrugated, but it's really pretty. Yeah, I think you can probably see that. That's a really pretty chain. Okay, that's all the pendants and findings. Hold on, let me get the rest of it out. I think all the rest of it is beads. Hold on. Okay, the first thing here is what they were talking about that's mislabeled. It says 33 by 32 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass and cubic zirconia sun pendant, but it is really a 10-inch strand of 5.5 millimeter English cut faceted crystal round beads. And those are really, really pretty. What color did it say it was? Goldenrod AB. It doesn't say on the, it says over there on the, where I read the description, but it doesn't say on the description page here, but it's Goldenrod AB. And those are really, really pretty. A lot of facets on them. Really sparkly and shiny. And then next is a 7-inch strand of 6 millimeter crackle agate faceted round beads dyed and heated pink. And these are really pretty. They're all different. Like that one there's gray. But they're all different, mostly all different shades of pink and magenta and kind of a fuchsia sort of color. Some of them are more clear. Those are really, really pretty. And then next is a six pieces, 14 millimeter crystal faceted coin beads in Magma AB. These are just really, really pretty. I just love that pattern on those. Those are just beautiful. Just really, really beautiful. There's 6 of them there. It's really, really pretty. And then next is 20 pieces of 8 millimeter crystal faceted bold cut crackled round beads with a magenta coating. Those are super pretty. I love all those facets. What did it say? Bold cut. I don't know what that means. But they are just really, really pretty. Okay, let me see what I got next now. Okay, this is a 7-inch strand of 8 millimeter matte crackle agate round beads dyed and heated deep orange. That's really pretty. Those are so pretty. Look at that one. Looks like a color you'd see in a sunset, doesn't it? I guess that's what they were, well, yeah, it's called summer sunrise, so I guess that's what they were thinking. Something you'd see in the sunrise or sunset, I guess. That's really, really pretty. And then next is 20 pieces, 8 by 7 millimeter crystal faceted crackled lantern beads with a teal coating. And I love these lantern beads. You know, in the last box we got all those really pretty clear 8 by 7 millimeter lantern beads, and they were just really, really pretty. And these are too, with that teal color. Those are just beautiful. And then we have more lantern beads, 8 by 7 millimeter crystal faceted crackled lantern beads with an amethyst coating. Those are really gorgeous too. I'm trying to think of something to say besides pretty and beautiful, but throw in gorgeous there, I guess. But they're just so pretty. Just really, really pretty. And then next is a 20-piece strand of 10 millimeter crackle agate round beads dyed and heated maroon. Those are just some really pretty gemstone beads. All different. It's just amazing how different they all are. The little patterns in there. They're just gorgeous. And then last is a 13-inch strand of 4 millimeter crystal bicone beads in Magma AB. These are really pretty. I think I've got some this color that I just bought from the Beadbox Bargain store. I think. If not, I've got some that are really close to this in color. I might have some that are matte. I don't know. But these are just really, really pretty. There's so much you can use bicones as kind of as spacers and things. To add a little length every now and then if you need a little length to a piece. These are just really pretty. So let me see if I can get this all together and I'll be back. Okay, there we go. The June 2023 Bargain Bead Box, the Summer Sunrise Collection. And I think they have captured pretty much all the colors in a sunrise. These are some beautiful colors. Beautiful, bright colors that will be fun to work with. I can't wait to see what we can come up with. I took some of them off. I cut some of them off the strands so that I could fit them in the picture better. I don't usually like to cut them off the strands until I am ready to use them, but I have learned after a few months of doing this, I'm still learning, y'all, that I can get them in one shot better sometimes if I cut them off the strands. So that's what I did with some of them, not all of them. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to the Bargain Bead Box and you decide you want to be, I'll put that coupon code down in the description box below, and I put it on the screen at the first of the video, and it'll save you $2 off your first box if you decide to sign up. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested, along with a link to my Facebook and Instagram and my email. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, hope y'all have a great day. Take care.